Why would a company known for releasing a new action camera every single year suddenly go quiet? For the first time in nearly a decade, GoPro skipped a Hero launch. No big reveal, no flashy event, just silence. Naturally, that sparked speculation. Was the Hero lineup slowing down? Or was GoPro preparing something bigger behind the scenes? Well, the answer seems clearer now. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is reportedly on the way, and the leaks suggest this could be one of the most important upgrades the series has seen in years. In this video, we are breaking down the rumored specs, expected price, release timing, and whether the Hero 14 might finally push GoPro into a new generation of action cameras. Let's start with the unusual part of the story: GoPro skipping a yearly release. For a brand that built its reputation on consistent upgrades, that felt strange at first. But according to GoPro, the pause was intentional. Instead of releasing another incremental update, the company reportedly chose to invest more time into development. Think of it like this: rather than a small step forward, GoPro may be aiming for a larger leap. And it makes sense. The current GoPro Hero 13 Black is still a very capable camera. With excellent stabilization, durable design, and reliable performance, it remains competitive for creators, travelers, and athletes. So skipping a year does not necessarily mean falling behind. Sometimes it means preparing for something bigger. So what will the new camera actually look like? Based on early reports, the GoPro Hero 14 Black will likely keep the familiar GoPro design language. The rugged square body, waterproof build, and dual displays are all expected to remain. There are whispers of a slightly larger rear display, which could improve framing shots and navigating menus. That sounds great in theory, but here's the trade-off. GoPro's reputation has always been about durability, so the real challenge is balance. A bigger display improves usability, but the camera still needs to survive drops, dust, and underwater adventures. If GoPro manages that balance, the familiar design could feel refreshed without losing its rugged identity. Now, here's where things get interesting. Since the GoPro Hero 10 Black, GoPro has maintained a maximum resolution of 5.3K video. Image quality has improved through processing and color science, but the resolution ceiling stayed the same. That might finally change. Rumors suggest the Hero 14 Black could introduce 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, along with 6K recording at up to 120 frames per second. For creators, that combination would offer extremely detailed footage plus smooth slow motion. Even more exciting is the possibility of a 1-inch sensor. This has been one of the most requested upgrades from the GoPro community. A larger sensor captures more light, which means better low-light performance, cleaner footage at night, and more dynamic range overall. Of course, higher resolution and larger sensors require serious processing power. That's where the rumored GP3 processor comes in. A new chip could improve efficiency, reduce overheating, and handle demanding video formats like 8K recording. And stabilization, which has always been GoPro's secret weapon, is expected to evolve as well. The next generation system, possibly called HyperSmooth 7.0, could introduce smarter AI-based framing. Imagine the camera automatically keeping subjects centered while smoothing out motion. For action sports, travel footage, or vlog-style recording, that kind of intelligent stabilization could make a noticeable difference. Another area that could see improvement is battery life. Reports suggest the Hero 14 Black may deliver around 2.5 hours of 4K recording on a single charge. If that holds true, it would represent a meaningful step forward for long recording sessions and travel content. As for launch timing, GoPro has historically released Hero models in September, and the Hero 14 Black is expected to follow that same schedule. So if the pattern holds, we may see the official reveal toward the end of the year. So here's the big question. Should you wait for the Hero 14 or buy a Hero 13 today? The answer depends on what matters most to you. If features like 8K video, a larger sensor, and longer battery life are essential for your workflow, waiting might be the smarter move. But if you need a reliable action camera right now, the Hero 13 Black is still one of the most capable options on the market today. Now, I want to hear from you. What upgrade matters most in the next GoPro? A bigger sensor, better battery life, or 8K recording? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.